Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing a duct job today at a customer's house, and the attic's getting a tad bit warm. We do air conditioning, refrigeration, heating and cooling, and put in a UV light for allergies and asthma and viruses and things, and a 5-inch media filter. And I've got some of the guys here, and here's a picture of an attic, what it looks like in the summertime. AR, you're in there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah.
There he is. Okay. Call us for all your AC and heating needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay? See you guys in the next video. Bye.